Sky Mobile Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're going to review Sky Mobile, covering its features, strengths, and weaknesses. If you're interested, links to the products are included in the description. Let's get right into it. Sky Mobile offers flexible, contract-free mobile plans that run on the O2 network, providing strong 4G coverage across the UK and expanding 5G coverage for compatible devices. One standout feature is Sky's Swap program, which allows users to upgrade their phone early by swapping their device for a new one every 12 or 24 months. Sky Mobile also features a data rollover option, meaning any unused data at the end of the month is carried over for up to 3 years, which is great for users with fluctuating data needs. Sky offers a range of SIM-only plans and pay monthly options, allowing customers to tailor their plans based on usage and budget. Additionally, customers can earn Sky VIP rewards with every top-up, providing access to exclusive discounts and deals. Who is Sky Mobile best for? It's an ideal choice for existing Sky customers looking to bundle their mobile services with broadband or TV subscriptions to save even more. The data rollover is perfect for light to moderate data users, and those who like to upgrade their phones regularly will find the swap program attractive. However, Sky Mobile does have its drawbacks. While O2's network is reliable, coverage in rural areas can be patchy, with slower speeds compared to other major networks. Another limitation is that Sky's 5G network is still rolling out and may not be available to all users or in all areas, making it less ideal for those who need ultra-fast data. The phone selection isn't as extensive as some other providers, and while the prices are competitive, they may not always offer the most budget-friendly options for those with minimal needs. In summary, Sky Mobile is a solid choice for Sky customers looking to bundle services, offering flexible plans and attractive features like data rollover and phone upgrades. However, coverage and 5G availability may be concerns for some. If you think Sky Mobile might be the right choice for you, check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth mobile operator reviews.